Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use frame tags. Frame tags, while less common now, were once a key way to divide a browser window into multiple, independent sections. Each section could load a different HTML document, allowing for complex layouts. Think of it like having several mini-browser windows within one main window. This approach offered unique ways to present information and navigate content across a single page. To implement a frame, you'll typically place the frame tag inside a frame set. The src attribute is crucial, as it tells the browser which HTML document to load into that specific frame. You can also use the name attribute to give your frame a unique identifier, which is helpful for targeting links. Additionally, nor size can prevent visitors from altering your carefully designed layout. The frameset tag is your primary tool for structuring the page. You can use the rows attribute to divide the window horizontally or calls for vertical divisions. For example, setting calls to 25%, 75% creates two vertical frames. You can also use pixel values or an asterisk for relative sizing. Nesting these frame sets allows for incredibly intricate and multi-paneled designs. While frame tags were once powerful, it's important to note they are largely deprecated in current web development. For embedding external content, the iframe element is the modern and preferred solution. For page layouts, CSS with div elements offers far greater flexibility and responsiveness. These modern approaches also provide better accessibility and are more search engine friendly, ensuring a wider reach for your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.